Hello, today is Tuesday, March 30th, 31st. I'm not sure. I just got home from Target and I saw this 3 clear protein soda. Eto clear protein soda. So I'm filming to sa iPhone 17 ko sa DJI. I wanted to show you guys how it tastes like. But before anything else, nagugutom kasi ako. So I want to have my early dinner. It's only like 5:16 p.m. I'll do a little bit of some admin work online first, and then after I finish this, walk the dogs, and then go to the gym. Got home from my caregiving gig. I got off from work around 4 p.m. and I went straight to Target. And I saw this nga, so I got so intrigued. I want to try it. It's by Sky Pop. Apparently, I can't finish this all. I just want to eat right now. It's by Sky Pop. Ulitin natin. I-edit ko naman to. Sky Pop Protein Soda with 0 sugar. Yeah, I don't know if they taste the same, but this one is clear protein soda. Cherry lime. Flavor cherry lime, strawberry cotton candy, ice pop. I'm not going to drink all of it today kasi masasayang lang. So what I'm going to do is, every time I try the soda, every time na I-try ko yung soda, I'll just film it because I don't want to put it to waste, diba? Which one should I drink first? I'm gonna walk the dogs, go to the gym, sipag ko, diba? The dogs, do a little bit of like online work, go to the gym before bedtime para ubos talaga yung energy. Ano ba yun? Poncha? Ano ba yun? You know what? Was it let's do it.
2,000 years later.
Machado. Pochero! I go to Whole Foods to buy Indian food. Tapos meron silang parang beef stew doon na ang lambot-lambot and it tastes like pochero. Pero wala siyang potatoes. Pero ang lambot-lambot niya. And it's on the Indian section nung hot cooked food nila. Pero yun yung binabalikan ko doon pag pupunta ko ng Whole Foods. What should we try? Itong blue na lang. Yung mga... Ooh, pink. Yung bubble niya. Oh, okay. It's pretty. You know what? May nakita akong like post na masama daw to pala talaga yung glass straw kasi merong isang na-hospitalize girl kasi basag yata sa loob ng straw. So, there was something inside her chest na hindi natanggal. So, yun. Buti na lang na-recover siya. Who still drink from the glass straw? Lord, kayo nang bahala sa akin. Dito pala yung mic. I like. Yes. Will I repurchase? Abso-freaking-lutely. It's kind of sweet for me. I'll probably rate this as 7 or over 10 if you're craving for sweets and soda. 7 over 10 for this flavor. Try this again tomorrow. Hopefully, to film before I try to open this. For now, let me eat and enjoy my early dinner. Bye!
Today is Sunday. I and the dogs. I'm filming portrait mode and for YouTube. Landscape. Landscape pala for YouTube. I am going to Salt Park, Dana Point, to watch the sunset. Hindi ako mabot sa service kasi I got off from work at 2 p.m. Sana merong camera na na-adjust siya from portrait to landscape na hindi na-apektuhan yung, what do you call this? Na hindi affected yung quality ng video. Kasi kapag, let's say, dito sa DJI, naka-landscape siya, I believe if I adjust it and convert it to portrait mode, bababa yung quality niya. Gusto ko na i-try itong clean, simple, clear protein soda. As promised, the last time I filmed, yeah. Oh my god. I don't like it. I'm so sorry. Lasa siyang chemical eh. May nalasahan akong hindi ko type. Some people don't really like the taste of cherry kasi it's a weird tasting fruit. One more time. Alam mo yung nasa can na cherry, tapos yung juice, ginawa lang siyang soda. I just wanna go and watch the sunset. For the past few days, it's been heavy kasi namatayan kami ng dog. Her name is Coney. Is the sweetest and the most loving the pet I know. Loving than my own, si Loki. Loki. Yeah, I've been crying. I've been crying for the past days because I truly love that girl. I wasn't ready. My sister has 2 dogs. So, yung isa is Chow Chow. Full term na siya, 13 years old. She was diagnosed with cancer sa hips and joints. Nag-pray talaga ako ng malupit. Nagmakaawa ako. Nagrepent ako. Nag-promise ako ng something. Even the vet was recommending to put her down already. Pero sabi ko sa sister ko na wag, let her die naturally. Hindi na gusto na kapatid ko. She was whining and she was very noisy daw. At that time, kasi nga, she was in pain. Hindi daw nakakatulog yung mga kasambahay nung sister ko kasi doon siya sa baba natutulog. Kasabay ito nung may sakit yung grandma ko. So, ang hirap, ang bigat, kasi I super love that dog too. Parang feeling ko, mas mahal ko yung aso ng kapatid ko kaysa mas mahal ng kapatid ko yung aso niya eh. I discovered this, dumaan lang sa ad ko yung oil, I don't know, pinadala ko. I don't know if it did work. Pero sabi ng sister ko, she's fighting, and right now, nakakatayo na daw siya. And for the past few months, hindi daw siya makatayo na, kailangan siyang bit-bit, alam mo yun, i-lift up using a towel for her to potty. I mean, I'm ready to let her go, pero sana wag na in pain. Little dog na 7 years old lang, si Coney, she's a Chorky. It was a sudden death. Kaya ang sakit. Oh, she's still a baby. Yung dog ko kasi si Loki, when she snuggles with me, after like 10 minutes, ayaw niya na. He needs his space back. Aalis na yan, pupunta corner, sa malayo, sa kanyang space. She just wants to be pet like for a couple of seconds or minutes. And then after that, I want my space. But this girl, itong namatay, si Coney, oh my gosh, talagang nakasnuggle siya all the time when I'm around. I could still smell her scent. I could remember her scent, her, her cuddle, yung hug niya, as in nararamdaman ko. Kaya, ang sakit-sakit. Kasi every December, when my sister and her family goes out of the country, ako yung nagpe-pet sit dun sa dalawa. So, 3 sila. They're like Timon, Pumbaa, and anong isa? Simba. Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba. So, ganun silang 3. It hurts so much because she's a girl. She's like my baby girl. I love that dog so much. Basta happy lang siya. Happy siya yung kilala kong aso na walang anxiety. Like, every single dog that I've met, may anxiety. Takot. Georgina naman, the Chow Chow, she's very chill, very lazy. Wants her space too. But the sweetest dog I've ever met, well, Hachi, my dog, yung female na toy poodle din, she's very sweet as well. They're kind of like similar ng personality. But syempre, nasaktan ako kasi niyak ako ng iyak. Ang sakit niya. Mas masakit pa siya sa heartbreak. Kaya, guys, kung wala ka pang pet, huwag ka nang kumuha kasi ang sakit-sakit. Hindi talaga siya type, guys. This is my favorite park now. My favorite park with my least favorite dogs. Just kidding. With my favorite dogs. Yee! I finally got food. Got tuna poke bowls. Toy poodle? But this one's mixed. For sure. Yeah. Say hello. Guys, I'm currently building an office table. Yeah, because I'm gonna be busy in the next few days. It was a very busy day. May project akong inaayos. And then, I had to complete the website for my peptides. Had to finish some campaigns. And change of weather na naman, lumawig na naman. Kaya ito, sinisipon ng tita nyo. Oh, we have to open this. Honestly, nag-enjoy ako mag-build. Baka lalaki pala talaga ako, no? Ang ayoko lang yung kasi parang it gives me the... Wait, CR tayo.
Ayoko lang yung parating naghahanap ng scissors, tapos you end up using the kitchen scissors. Ano lang natin ulit. It's a commitment for myself. Eh. Kasi nakalagay things to do ko to today, so I really wanted to finish it. I can't wait to use this. Because I've been working in the kitchen table. I don't like eating and working at the same time. I kind of like when you're in the bedroom. Diba? Parang, ano ba? Masyado kang mababa, girl. Minsan, you just want that bedroom for sleep, not watching. Kaya nga may movie room, diba? Sa ibang mga mayayaman na bahay. It feels good to watch at night to relax your brain. Alright, the last piece of the art. Says here, I have to turn you off. I'll just show it to you once it's done. Today is Friday and I took the dogs grooming. Actually, hindi siya grooming eh. I paid like $100 for 2 dogs, but it's unlimited bath and cleaning, yung tear glands nila.
Tear glands.
Toothbrush, paw cleaning, per near the complex. My apartment complex is very near. Actually, I can walk there, but ang init eh. I dropped them off an hour and a half ago, but I'm about to pick them up. I just went back to the apartment because I needed to do number 2. I have some returns, so ibabalik ko na rin siya. Drop off sa UPS, which is katabi lang din. I love my area. However, I kind of want to move down south kasi it's less people, medyo traffic na dito, pero malapit siya sa LA. It's like, basta isang tumbling na lang, LA County na. However, I really want the OC area kasi nga, it's more upscale, mas quiet, mas alam mo yun, less chaotic. 3 o'clock, like in 30 minutes, I have a Bible study. And after that, I'll reply to emails kasi I have like thousands of emails na hindi ko pa nababalikan. Review and research for my upcoming campaigns then. So yun lang, that's my agenda for to film a TikTok video. The TikTok videos are actually unpaid, but that's how you get noticed by brands. So if you want to content creation as a side hustle, you have to do things for free. It was just a hobby in the beginning, but eventually I get noticed by brands and they partner up with me to create videos for them. I also do UGC. Start reviewing for a real estate brokerage licensing. So yun lang. Okay, it's already 2:23. Malilate ako sa Bible study. Just Zoom anyways. What else? That is all. Okay, I'll see you later. Quick tip. Okay. Okay, let's take one. Okay. Last time she kept on shaking. I heard her.
Yeah, I didn't dry her last time, but today she was great.
Okay.
I think they're super matted to the skin, so you want them to look fluffy or
Yeah,
it's not up to
fluff-
you. I don't think they're matted.
Oh, okay.
Short if worst
Summer
case.
cut?
Yeah.
Summer cut. Yeah.
Put in here and they smell the dogs that pee here. It's like
Hi guys, what is today? I think it's April 16th. I'm on the way to get liver for the past few days since Monday. Bleeding to death. Like literally, there are days that I feel like, am I really dying? Alam mo yung feeling na ubusan ka na ng dugo, wala ka ng energy, ganun. And mind you, I'm wearing diapers. Okay, let's order cappuccino first and then head to buy... Hold on. ADHD ko. Head to buy what? What do I buy? I need some vinegar. I don't think I still have vinegar at home. I should have checked. And then, get home. Babad ko muna yung liver before I cook it. Computer stuff. Go to the gym. Edit this vlog. Kailangan ko nang i-upload. This is cute.
Usually the line is all the way to the stop sign.
Say hello to my vlog,
Kasabi.
Kasabi, DJ
What's up,
Kasabi.
guys?
He's the next
I'm the next Marco Carola.
Oh, okay. Who is Marco?
Look him up.
She's my social media manager, guys. So if you want, sign up.
Sabi ko pa kay Lord, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng saktong size, hindi yung...
Okay, ito pa pala. Okay, just lettuce.
Protein burger.
Protein burger. Oh, there you go. Yes. Rock and roll, baby. That's hers.
That's
Oh, you're showing it. Okay,
There's
okay.
everything.
The one with lettuce. Okay, okay. 10 over 10.
Oh my God.
I left it.